Struggling with machine extractors that keep breaking or just don't grip right when you're working on engines or car repairs? You're definitely not alone. So here's the deal with metal screw extractors, especially in automotive or engine work. First off, you gotta make sure you drill the hole perfectly straight and to the exact size recommended for the extractor. If your hole's off even a little, the extractor won't bite properly and will likely snap. Second, use plenty of penetrating oil on rusty or fused bolts before you start. Let it sit for a while to loosen things up. Third, heat can be your best friend. Heating the metal around the stuck bolt can expand it and make removal easier, but don't overdo it or you'll mess up the parts. Fourth, always turn the extractor slowly and steadily. Jerky or fast moves increase the chance it'll break off inside the bolt. Fifth, avoid cheap extractors. It's tempting to save a few bucks, but quality tools with hardened steel are way less likely to fail. Sixth, if you're drilling deep, use sharp new bits because dull bits can cause wandering holes. Seventh, try tapping the extractor gently with a hammer before twisting. It can help it seat better inside the hole. Finally, have backup plans ready, like bolt extractors or left-hand drill bits, because sometimes these tools just don't work right no matter what. One of the biggest mistakes people make when using metal extractors is drilling holes that are too big or too small, which ruins the grip and leads to breakage. Fix this by measuring carefully and using drill bits that match extractor specs exactly. Another common problem is not prepping the bolt with enough penetrating oil or heat, so it stays stuck tight. Always give it time and patience to soak in and warm up before trying to pull anything out. The third issue is rushing the process. Twisting too fast or using too much force causes the extractor to snap inside the bolt, making things way worse. The fix is to take it slow, steady, and gentle, letting the tool do the work without forcing it. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and can tackle tough jobs like bolt extraction or engine repairs. Plus, contractors get a solid platform to connect with new clients and grow their business without all the hassle.